Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are very good. Today we will start class 8 physics chapter force and pressure. This first we have to know what is force. As we know here that any push or pull on an object, suppose this is an object, we are applying any push or pull. So any push or pull applied on an object is called force. So again, any push or pull applied on an object is called force. Now, what is the SI unit of force? SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of force is Newton or kg meter per second square. What is the SI unit? SI unit, that means standard international unit of force is Newton or kg meter per second square. Now the question coming, what is Newton or what is 1 Newton? 1 Newton force is the force which when applied on an object of 1 kg mass, it produces 1 meter per second square acceleration. What is 1 Newton force? The force of 1 Newton means when we apply a force on an object of 1 kg, then it produces 1 meter per second square acceleration. So that is called 1 Newton force. Kg, 1 kg, 1 meter per second square. So 1 kg on 1 kg force, we will apply the force so that the acceleration will be produced 1 meter per second square. Next, what are the different types of force? Force mainly classified into two categories. These are contact force and non-contact force. Force are two types, contact force and non-contact force. Now, different types of contact force are muscular force. What is muscular force? The force applied by our muscle. The force which is applied by our muscle is called muscular force. And another one is frictional force. Frictional force means when two objects slide on each other, the force between the contact surface is called the frictional force. So this frictional force and muscular force both are which type of force? Contact force. Another one is what? Non-contact force. What is non-contact force? Where no contact is there. The force applied from a distance. The force can be applied from a distance. No attachment are there. That is called non-contact force. These non-contact, different types of non-contact forces are magnetic force and gravitational force. In magnet, you know, magnet can attract from a distance. So no contact is required. So it is a non-contact force. Similarly, gravitational force of earth, gravitational force of sun. Okay, these are non-contact force because in gravitational force also contact is not required. Now another one is, so we can find the force equal to mass into acceleration. How we can find it? The mass into acceleration means mass. Here, this is Newton's second law of motion. From Newton's second law of motion, we can understand that force equal to mass into acceleration. So F equal to m into a. Next, what is pressure? Pressure is the force applied per unit area. When we apply force on an unit area, this force is called pressure. So again, pressure is the force applied per unit area. So what is the unit? SI unit? SI unit of pressure is Pascal or Newton per meter square. Why it is called Newton per meter square? Because 1 Newton force applied per 1 meter square area. So force, pressure equal to force. How much force it is? It is 1 Newton force. And what is the area? 1 meter square area. So pressure equal to force by area. F equal to force, A equal to area, and capital A equal to area and small a equal to acceleration. Don't forget and don't get confused. Small a equal to acceleration and capital A equal to area here. So pressure equal to force by area. Here force, unit of force is Newton and unit of area is meter square. So pressure equal to Newton per meter square. Now what is atmospheric pressure? We know in our around the earth a large amount of atmosphere is there. So the pressure exerted by the atmosphere on us is called atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere on us is called atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure can be measured by different instruments like barometer, manometer, pressure gauge. These are the different instruments which helps us to measure the pressure. Okay, so up to this, in next class we will do the another lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.